How to invite friends in Hamster Kombat. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to invite your friends in Hamster Kombat. In Hamster Kombat, Invite Friends is a feature that lets you invite your friends to join the game and earn rewards for both of you. First, launch the Hamster Kombat app and let it fully load. Here I am in the game. Now, if you want to invite your friends and earn some awesome rewards, look for the Friends section. It's usually located towards the bottom middle of the screen. Here we are. See this option that says Invite Friends? By inviting friends through this link, you'll both get a bonus. You can see it right here. You get 5,000 coins, and your friend gets 5,000 coins too, just for signing up using your link. There's even a bigger bonus if your friend has Telegram Premium. In that case, you both score a whopping 25,000 coins each. Plus, there's an extra bonus for every time your friend levels up in the game. That's some serious coin action. As you can see, I've already racked up quite a few invites using this method. It's a great way to earn some extra coins and build your Hamster Kombat squad. So, how do you actually invite your friends? It's super easy. Just click on Invite a Friend and you'll be presented with your unique invitation link. You can then either send this link directly to your friends through chat apps like Telegram or copy it to your clipboard. Here's what the invitation link looks like. It's similar to the one I've included in the video description below. By the way, clicking that link in the description will also get you to Hamster Kombat and earn you some free coins. And me too, of course. So that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily invite your friends to Hamster Kombat and earn some sweet rewards along the way. Remember, sharing is caring, and in this case, it's also very profitable. And this is how to invite friends in Hamster Kombat. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.